In front of me is SONY Xperia X Performance, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the list of all apps, go to the settings, then find and select display right here, and now just take a look at sleep. Click on it, and right in front of you you've got all the options that you can apply, so your device can fall asleep after 15 seconds of inactivity, 30 seconds, 1 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 30 minutes, so it's up to you. I will pick 10 minutes, and that's it. As you can see, screen timeout has been changed, so from now on, a SONY Xperia X Performance will fall asleep after 10 minutes of inactivity. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.